हर दिन संभाल कर रखो, मेरा देश महान बना है. On this occasion of Independence Day, we are hosting this virtual assembly for celebrating the Independence Day with the theme of Constitution of India. One nation, one constitution. The spirit has become a reality and India is proud of that. Though India became a free nation on August 15, 1947, it enjoyed the free spirit of independence on January 26, 1950, when Constitution of India finally came into force. Today is the day when many moons ago India was declared a democratic country. Let us all integrate such aspects in our life so that we can put nation above state so as to become what we should have been since 1947, united in our diversity. Let not just the nation work for us, but also let us work for the nation. Let us stop being children who only enjoy rights. Let us become an adults who are as responsible as they are free. Jai Hind. We will all start this auspicious day with the national anthem. Therefore, I kindly request you all to stand up at your places for our national anthem. Thank you everyone, and now let's start with the lovely event. Without any further delay, I would like to invite Yash Santoshi, who will tell us about Samvidhan ka Vidhan.
संविधान का विधान देश मेरा है महान, लिखा जो भीमराव ने करो तुम उसका सम्मान. संविधान का विधान है एक किताब ने देश को चलाया नेकी की राह पे, है एक किताब ने देश को चलाया नेकी की राह पे. जनतंत्र की आवाज़ ये हर वर्ग को सम्मान का देती है अधिकार ये. संविधान का विधान देश मेरा है महान, इस गणतंत्र पे गर्व करता है सारा हिंदुस्तान. है उठ खड़ा हुआ ये देश जीत के आज़ादी की लड़ाई, है उठ खड़ा हुआ ये देश जीत के आज़ादी की लड़ाई. स्वतंत्र भारत को हमने राह नहीं दिखाई. संविधान का विधान है जरा कुछ इस प्रकार, हो जीने का अधिकार या हो आज़ादी बोलने की, हो जीने का अधिकार या हो आज़ादी बोलने की. बराबरी का हक मिले और हक मिले है ज्ञान का, गुरूर हमको खूब है हमारे संविधान का. संविधान का विधान देश मेरा है महान, इस गणतंत्र पे गर्व करता है सारा हिंदुस्तान. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
Thank you so much, Yash, for a lovely performance. Now we have Muskan Arora for a brief introduction about Constitution.
I am greatly honored to have been given this opportunity to speak on Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas or National Law Day, celebrated in India on November 26 every year. The Constitution of India is more than a set of articles and schedules. It does more than merely establish institutions for the governance of India. Instead, Scholars call the Indian Constitution a transformative constitution. Members of the Constituent Assembly drew encouragement and inspiration from the experiences of other nations, including the UK, the US, Canada, Ireland, and even Australia. They looked both to what other nations had done well and what other nations had done poorly, and tried to create from all these different strands and all these different schools of thought a document suited to Indian conditions and Indian challenges. Constitution is the key of democracy. It always depends on people's education. Education depends on government policy, and policies depend on humble suggestion. What is so inspiring about the Indian Constitution is its openness to difference and diversity, in its acceptance and employment of intellectual traditions and lessons from around the world, in its commitment to social welfare and uplift. Even in its size, which is great about the Indian Constitution, in its own mirrors. 26th November was marked as the Constitution Day of India by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the year 2015. Constitution Day of India aims to bring awareness on the importance of the Indian Constitution and its architect, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Constitution Day is not a public holiday. Various departments of the Government of India celebrated the first Constitution Day. As per the Department of Education and Literacy, the preamble of the Constitution was read in all schools by all students. While delivering his last speech in the Constituent Assembly on November 25, 1949, Dr. Ambedkar had said that the success of the Constitution would depend on the conduct of the people of India and the political parties. The illustrious makers of our Constitution had, with complete devotion and honesty, envisioned to serve and work while remaining free from fear or favor, affection or ill will and bias. They would have been confident that the future generations, that is, all of us, will adopt these values with the same spontaneity and integrity as they themselves did. I think in the present times we all need to introspect and reflect upon this.
Thank you, Muskan. Now we have Kavya for explaining her thoughts in the form of a poetry.
Revolution led to restitution, wrapped up to form a constitution, so fierce and bright, reminding each citizen of their rights. Sadly, though, it was made without keeping the inhuman side in mind. The historical sites are only a lover's plane, exploited with hearts and names. West is a place and not a culture. The ripped jeans you flaunt is the janitor's culture. The minds are corrupted to neglect a culture so diverse, traditions so pure in modernization's name. The Constitution was formed to build us all strong for peace, unity, and progress. A progressive country needs progressive youth and mind, but everyone's abroad earning dollars with their eyes turned blind. Martyr and shaheed are words used by news channels. A soldier died, you say. Can form a sentence straight. You're Western, you say? Dead are those people who live in delusion, scared of locomotion, who thrive for power and not for change. We've paid our taxes right for a long time, but contributing to brotherhood will change the game. We're all Indians, I say. Tava shubha name jage, tava shubha ashish mange, gaye tabsya kata.
Wonderful, Kavya. Moving ahead, now let us hear some melodious voices. Yashwant, Pratishtha, Kinshuk and Ishita.
ऐ मेरी ज़मीं अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे ऐ मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस 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 में तेरा इश्क बहे, फीका न पड़े कभी रंग तेरा, जिस मुँह से निकल के खून कहे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ सरसों से भरे खलिहान मेरे, जहाँ झूम के भंगड़ा पा न सका, आबाद रहे वो गाँव मेरा, जहाँ लौट के वापस जा न सका। हो वतनावे मेरे वतनावे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी अस्मत पे मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू। ऐ वतन मेरे वतन, तुझ पे कोई भी गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ, तुझ पे कोई भी गम की आँच आने नहीं दूँ। कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू, कुर्बान मेरी जान तुझ पे शाद रहे तू। ऐ वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू।
खतरों से हंस के खेलना, इतनी तो हम में हिम्मत है, मोड़े कलाई मौत की इतनी तो हम में ताकत है। हम सरहदों के वास्ते लोहे की एक दीवार है, हम दुश्मनों के वास्ते होशियार है तैयार है। अब जो भी हो शोला बन के पत्थर है पिघलाना, अब जो भी हो बादल बन के पर्वत पर है जाना। कंधों से मिलते हैं कंधे, कदमों से कदम मिलते हैं, हम चलते हैं जब ऐसे तो दिल दुश्मन के हिलते हैं।
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग, यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग। धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है, नीली चादर ताने अंबर है। नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है, देश रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा 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 रंगीला।
Wonderful guys, thank you so much for a lovely performance. दर्जनों भाषा, सैकड़ों विधि, हजारों विधान हैं, जो जोड़कर सब साथ रखे वो संविधान है. So we will continue this patriotic vibe and I will invite Vasvi to enlighten us about Independence Day.
Good morning everyone, I am Vasvi and I am here to represent the article on Independence Day. Freedom in the minds, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute the nation on this 74th Independence Day. We will be celebrating the completion of 73rd years of Independence Day this year. The way we are growing is an example of many and even big support to many countries. We celebrate Independence Day to remember the lives of the martyred that gained this freedom, as they are the ones who struggled for our country. During the partition of India in 1947, violent riots, mass casualties and displacement of nearly 15 million people took place, and religious violence. On the eve of Independence Day, Jawaharlal Nehru, the then Prime Minister, said, "Trust with the destiny" speech. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the whole world sleeps, India will awake to life the freedom. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, Vasvi. As we all know that our constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, whom we all know as the father of Indian Constitution. Do you know that there are 1,17,369 words in the English version of our constitution? Now, Kunal will notify us with more aspects about our Indian constitution.
Indian Constitution. Hello everyone. As we all know, a constitution is an aggregate of fundamental principles on which a country is to be governed. In India, our democracy stands on three pillars. These are executive, judiciary and legislative. All these pillars follow our constitution in order to govern our country. Our constitution is the lengthiest constitution ever made. It has a preamble, 470 articles grouped into 25 parts with 12 schedules. It is also said to be the most successful constitution ever because our constitution was derived from all the goods of constitution of other or different countries around the globe. It was only amended 104 times in last 70 years. Interestingly, our constitution has a fascinating history and facts. It was handwritten. Yes, Mr. Prem Bihari ji wrote the original version of constitution in English, which included 1,17,369 words. He completed writing the original version in 6 months. He used 254 pen nibs. And every page of the original version was decorated by artists from Shantiniketan. Not only this, rupees 6.3 crore was spent on making constitution handwritten. The original version of the constitution is safely kept at the Indian Parliament. The constitution was made by Constituent Assembly. This assembly included drafting committee, which was headed by Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. Before that, the Government of India Act of 1935 was in effect. It was the longest implemented act ever, but it had many defects. So finally, after 2 years, 11 months and 18 days, we came with a new constitution on 26th of November 1949. Our constitution was widely criticized. Do you know, in the beginning, right to property was one of the fundamental rights according to Article 31 of our constitution. However, the 44th Amendment Act of 1978 deleted it. But till date, our constitution is the supreme power to govern our country, and every citizen in India has to follow it. Last but not the least, I would like to dedicate a short prayer by Rabindranath Tagore ji to all the martyrs, soldiers and freedom fighters who sacrificed their life in order to serve our nation. Where mind is without fear and head is held high, where knowledge is free, where world has not been broken into fragments by narrow domestic walls, where tireless striving stretches his arms towards perfection, where clear stream of reason has not lost his way into dreary desert sand of dead habit, where mind is led by thee into every widening of thought and action, into that heaven of freedom, my God, let my country awake. Amen.
थैंक यू सो मच कुणाल। आइए अब आपको लेकर चलते हैं हमारे 73वें स्वतंत्रता दिवस की ओर। अब हमारे साथ हैं मुकुल, जो हमारी मातृभाषा में अपनी कलम से कुछ लाए हैं।
नमस्कार, स्वाधीनता दिवस की आप सबको ढेरों ढेरों शुभकामनाएं। मेरा नाम है मुकुल गोयल और इस अवसर पर मैंने एक छंद लिखा है, आप सबके साथ बांटना चाहूँगा। मैं कहूँगा हर बात जो अनकही रह गई है यहीं कहीं 73 सालों में, बात जो कैद है दोगलेपन की दीवारों से बने मकानों में। आज़ादी है हम इस दिन ये चिल्लाते हैं, आज़ादी है हम इस दिन ये चिल्लाते हैं, और अगले ही दिन छोटे छोटे तिरंगों को सड़कों पर बढ़ा पाते हैं। आज की दुनिया में बच्चे तो बच्चे, बड़े भी अपने दोस्त पैसा देखकर बनाते हैं, और बच्चे तो बच्चे, बड़े भी नई नई गालियाँ बनाते हैं। उत्तर पूर्वी हिस्सा जो भारत का एक अभिन्न अंग है, उन लोगों को हम चीनी नेपाली कहकर बुलाते हैं, और इस दिन हम आज़ादी चिल्लाते हैं। वो लोग जिनके मन काले हैं वो भी आज के दिन खुद को इंटेलेक्चुअल बताते हैं। सेक्युलर भारत में नेता लोग सरकारें धर्म जात के नाम पर बनाते हैं, और हम क्या करते हैं, बस तालियां बजाते हैं। भारत नहीं है ये, अब नया इंडिया बन चुका है। वेस्टर्न की दौड़ में स्वदेशी रुका है। आओ चलो मिलकर इसे फिर से भारत बनाते हैं, नहीं तो मैं और तुम भी इस दिन आज़ादी चिल्लाकर तिरंगा फहराते हैं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, Mukul. Independence Day is highly significant as India achieved its freedom on this remarkable day. Many Indian citizens have sacrificed their life and lost everything to win our freedom back. First of all, I would like to thank our principal sir and teachers for always supporting us and believing in us. Because of them only, this celebration has become a success. I would also like to thank all the students who have helped us in making this occasion more beautiful and glorified. I would like to request you all to contribute wisely to safety of India. We all are the future of our country. It's our responsibility to make this country proud. Let's have a huge round of applause for everyone, and thank you once again. Jai Hind.